Today, I'll show you how to duplicate a type form quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to reuse a form template or simply want to create a copy for a different project, duplicating a type form is a straightforward process that can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to head over to typeform.com. Open up your preferred web browser, type in the URL, and hit enter. Once you're on the Typeform homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Being logged in is crucial because you'll need access to your existing forms to duplicate them. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with all your existing type forms. Browse through your list of forms and select the one you want to duplicate. If you have a lot of forms, you might find it helpful to use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific form you have in mind. Now, once you've found the form you want to duplicate, hover over it with your cursor. You should see three vertical dots appear on the right side of the form's title. These dots are your gateway to more options for that specific form. Go ahead and click on them. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options related to managing your form. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate. It's typically listed among other options like Edit and Delete. Clicking on Duplicate will create an exact copy of your selected form, preserving all its questions, settings, and design elements. This is especially useful if you want to maintain a consistent format across different forms or if you're running a similar survey for different audiences. After you click Duplicate, a new form will appear in your dashboard. It will usually have the same name as the original with the word copy appended to it. This makes it easy to differentiate between your original and duplicated forms. You can, of course, rename this new form to better suit your needs by clicking on its title and typing in a new name. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a type form. This method allows you to efficiently manage and create multiple forms without starting from scratch each time. It's a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, particularly if you frequently use similar types of forms. Remember, duplicating a form doesn't just save time, it also ensures consistency in your surveys or questionnaires, which can be incredibly important for collecting reliable data. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to tweak and tailor the duplicated form to better fit new requirements or audiences without affecting the original. I hope this quick tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching and happy form building.